Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you the demo of Spectrum mobile app. I have already installed the mobile app in the iPhone 11 Pro Max emulator. I'm launching this app now. So this is a login screen where the user have to enter the credentials and the hostname details to connect with the one-click server. So, so we can choose to connect with the secure connection or non-secure connection. For this demo, I'll be using the non-secure connection. I'll be entering the fully qualified domain name. The username and password. If my port number is other than 80 or 443 for HTTPS, I have to enter it manually by specifying the colon here. Otherwise, I don't have to specify if it is default. So I click the login button. This is the dashboard view where the app will show the current alarm count of all the severities. So below that, we have a device in critical condition where it will show the recent devices which are went in critical. So in the bottom, you can see the bottom navigation bar. Using this, we can navigate to different sections of the app. We have alarms view where we have the list of alarms from the server. We also have the device view where it will show the critical devices from the server and GCs. This will show the list of all the GCs available in the one-click server. So we have one real-time GC and three periodical GCs. Going back to the alarm view, I can filter alarms from the one-click server by clicking this filter button. I can choose the list of filters available from the server. As you can see, I have these filters in the one-click server. The same is shown in the mobile app. I can choose only interface filter where it will filter and show the specific alarm for this filter that is immediately updated in the background. So I can also filter alarms based on severity. I chose only critical. We have different options like alarms that are generated for specific time. We can filter. We can sort the alarms based on creation time or severity. We can reset the settings here using this button. I can also search the specific alarm here directly. You can go to a specific alarm by clicking on it. I can acknowledge the alarm. I can assign troubleshooter for an alarm. In this view, we will get more detailed information of this alarm, the symptoms, the probable cause, and the recommended actions that has to be taken for this alarm. We also have the impact tab where if there are any impacted alarms that will be shown here. Currently, this alarm don't have any such alarms. Going back to the device view. In the device view, we can view the detailed information of the devices. We have assert information of the device where the MAC address, serial number, firmware version of the device is shown. We also have the alarm view specific for this device, the performance view, and the events view. currently this device is down, so no performance is available. Let's search for the device where we have the performance. Using the search button, we can search the devices from the server other than critical devices. We can search the devices by model name. I searched for this device. It found three devices from this search. I'm clicking this device. So you can see this CPU and memory utilization graph will be drawn for every 10 seconds. And this is a real time. It'll be directly fetched from the device. It will be useful for troubleshooting the issues uh, real time. For the devices, we also have this little button where we can keep the device in maintenance by clicking the start maintenance. So the device will be kept in maintenance mode. So once the maintenance period is completed, we can say complete maintenance. For GCs, we have the similar search button where we can filter the GCs, and also we can click the GCs and view the alarms specific to the GCs, and also the devices specific to them. These are all alarms that are specific to this particular GC, and these are the devices for this GC. I can also use the same search to filter the devices within this GC. In the dashboard view, I can quickly view the connection status of the server. If there are multiple landscapes, we can view the state of all the landscapes which are down and which are up. So using this drawer button, we can go to the settings and we can change the view of the app to dark mode. That will change the entire app to dark mode. Yeah, that's it for the demo. Thank you.